This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the TurboVPN app from the Play Store, so let me quickly do that. Already, so once the app is ready, you can obviously go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button, then wait for a few seconds and skip the ad that follows. Finally, in order to connect yourself to VPN, you gotta simply tap at the caret icon over here, confirm the connection request, and let this cute rabbit do its magic. And well, the connection failed. That's something that might happen, so go into the servers list, and usually the app tries to connect you to the first server that it has on the list. So the solution for this issue is to just go for any other server than the first one and manually connect yourself to it. And as you can see, it works just fine. While connected to VPN, you can absolutely reconnect yourself to other servers, countries, or even cities. So I'll reconnect myself to some server in Germany. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, you gotta simply tap at the cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.